Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another powerful strategy, guys. This one here is wonderful. All right. So here is the strategy. Okay. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make use of both your indicator strategy and price action. Right. All right. How to blend price action with your strategy so that it will become powerful. Right. So that it will give you a better results, right? So this is what I will be showing you. So as you can see here on the chart right now, you can see how messy this indicator is looking. All right, but I can assure you it's a very powerful strategy, right? Only if you know how to make use of it, right? So there are some people that is going to tell you only based on this indicator, when it gets to this area you have to buy, right? When it gets to the area and cross the black you have to buy, right? That is when you are only using the indicator. All right, so now what I will be doing, I'll first of all analyze the market so that when I analyze it and it blends up with the indicator strategy, you are going to see how wonderful it will look. All right, so first thing I do before taking an entry, I'll first of all I'll go to the higher time frame, which is the daily. All right, because I want to see the overall movement of the market. Right now here on the daily, I will identify the trend. Right, that's what I'll first do. I try to identify the trend. So here on the daily right now, you can see that we are in an uptrend. Right, the overall trend of the market crash 1000 is an uptrend. Right, so after knowing that, I'll go to the 4-hour time frame. Right, what I'm doing now, I'm trying to do a top-down analysis. Right, so now here on the daily time frame, I scroll to the left side a little bit. Right, I want to identify the major zones. So here I can see a strong support and resistance zone here. All right, so here what you do is that you are going to mark out the most recent. Right, you don't need to go further. All right, just the most recent. That is what you are working with. All right, so this is what I do. I will mark the most recent support and resistance zones. Right, so this is the ones I can find. There is another here too, but I know it will take time before price will get to that area. All right, so now after marking out these zones, I will go to the 1-hour time frame. You know, it's not just a line, right? These are zones. Right, so here on the 1-hour time frame, what can I see? I can see, okay, I can see a downtrend right here. So let me mark it out. Alright, so this is what I'm seeing here on the 1-hour time frame currently. Right, price just broke out of this horizontal trend line right now. It's heading up according to what I'm seeing here on the 1-hour time frame. Right, let's go to the 30-minute time frame and see what's going on here. Right, so this is what's going on. Now to the 15-minute time frame. Alright, so you are seeing the way it's looking now, guys. You are seeing the way it's going. So here on the 15-minute time frame, I can see a support and resistance zone here again, right, which I will identify. Now you see, so as you can see, price is currently heading up. Right, let's see what's going on the 5-minute time frame. All right, let me go back to the 30-minute time frame and see. All right, so here also on the 30-minute time frame, you can see a support and resistance zone right here. So guys, I'm trying to mark out the most recent zone. I want to work with the most recent. All right, I don't want to wait for long because I'm a scalper, right? So I need a quick entry, right? A quick in and out. So that's the kind of trade I'm looking out for. So I'm trying to mark out all the possible support resistance zone I can find here. All right, because I'll be taking my trades from the 1-minute time frame. All right, so here I can see the support and resistance zone. So now let's check the 5 minutes. All right, let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, let me check if I can see some zones I will identify. All right, so here on the 15-minute time frame I can still see something, but it's not important. So you know, this thing is not just a line, right? It's not just a line. These are zones, right? So you are going to treat it as such. So as you can see, price is currently on a support and resistance zone, and I think it's heading down right now to the next zone. Okay, so let me mark out this zone so that you know what I'm talking about, right? So I can see something here, right? You know, I told you it's not just a line, right? It's a zone. So this is why price is reversing from this place. All right, as you can see, it's not getting to the line, right? That is to show you this thing is not just a line. All right, it's a zone, so you are going to treat it as such. So you can see this is why price is reversing, because it's on a support and resistance zone. Right, this is the zone right now. So price is heading down right now. So here also there is a zone, right? There is a support and resistance zone here also. All right, so now that I know, because this is the recent movement, now this is where price is currently. So now that I've identified what I need to know, I'll go to the 5 minute time frame. Let's see what I can see there. Let's see. On the 5 minute time frame, I think I should draw a trend line here to identify there's a horizontal support and resistance zone here, right? So now, as you can see, price is currently between these zones, right? Price is currently between this zone. And let's go to the 1 minute time frame now that we know what's going on. So as you can see, you see how well this is matching up with our indicator right now. So when you see something like this, you are going to have the confidence to take your entry, right? Now you see price gets to the over bot level here. Here also on the main chart, it's trying to show you that price is telling you that so on the main chart you can see also that price has gotten to the support and resistance zone, which the indicator is showing you also, right? Now you have a very good confirmation, right? So here you can take your entry with confidence, right? You can catch spike, you can take your entry, your stop loss is going to be above, right? And then you catch spike, right? You see that, you see how well that went, right? Then to this level, you know you should exit, right? So you can see that. And here also you can see that price has gotten to oversold level, so you can be looking out for buy entry, right? You wait for the red indicator to cross the black, and then you go in, right? You wait for the red moving average to cross the above the black, and then you go in. For this one, you are going to be taking 5 candles only, right? You don't need to be greedy. You know you are trading against spike, and anything can happen any minute, right? So you don't need to be greedy. Just go in and go out, right? But if it's spike, you can hold to the next level, all right? So now you can see here, this is what happened. Price broke it. Maybe you go in for spike here and stop loss here. This will hit your stop loss, but since you are not trading against spike, you'll be safe, right? Just a little money you lose. And then price went to the next zone. You can see the reaction. You go in, stop loss above, and then you see this one went your way, right? You see it went your way, right? So this is how you are to trade, right? When you combine indicator and price action, there is a very good opportunity, a very good risk to reward ratio for you. I don't know how to put this, like your win rate is going to be more than what you are losing, right? Your winnings will be more than what you will be losing, all right? That's what I'm trying to say, okay? So you can see how well this is playing out right now. You can see here it indicates that price has gotten to the oversold level, which is the 15 level, and then you wait for the red to cross above, and it cross. You have to take 5 candles, all right? So here right now you take your 5 candles and you are out. You can see this, guys. This is how to trade, right? You go to the higher time frame, you make your analysis, you know what the market is doing, all right? The analysis is going to give you a better understanding of what the market is doing, and then on the 1 minute time frame you are going to take your trade with the understanding of what the market is doing, and you are going to be confident enough to do that, all right? So this is how I personally trade, all right? So if you get value from this video, you know what to do. If you are a new viewer, make make sure you subscribe to my channel, because this is what I do. I post powerful content like this every time. All right, so if you love what you are seeing, make sure you subscribe and join the family. Right, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And don't forget to hit the like button. Right, show me love. All right, and share this video. All right, so that others will see it. Okay, so that is everything on this one, guys. That's everything. Watch out for the next video. It's going to be massive. All right, so that's everything, guys. Silver out.